The best wedding party favors, according to experts. These are the best wedding party favors to delight your guests. Your guests will definitely be taking these home. If that's the case, Dow recommends setting up a prominently displayed wedding favor table that guests will have to pass at the end of the night, along with signage indicating that these are favors that everyone should take. Plain Jane 2424 Let Love Grow Custom Seed Wedding Favors. Choose from 16 different watercolor design options to go with any wedding decor theme. Picture perfect papier personalized matches. Give it pretty the perfect blend coffee wedding favor. They're great to give out as a favor the night of the wedding, though could also be a good option to add to a hotel wedding welcome bag, or even as a favor at the next day wedding brunch. Custom Favors Hot Chocolate Wedding Favor in a Tube. Letter and leather luggage tags. Favorgram Custom Wedding Flip-Flops. Best Day Ever Spot Personalized Sunscreen Favors. Personalization More Personalized Wedding Mason Jar Candle Favors. Erickson Design Custom Popcorn Boxes. David's Bridal Personalized Metallic Foil Playing Cards. Zazzle Personalized Wine Label. Kate Aspen Cheers Bottle Opener. Kate Aspen Modern Geometric White Planter. Levan Bakery Cookies. Minted Merlot Dip Dyed Favor Boxes. Paper Blast Store Tic Tac Labels. Mushy Face Cookie Company. This family-owned company handmakes all of their many different types of treats with only super high-quality ingredients. You can mix and match the different types from their cookie bar, then set them out for guests to take at your wedding. What to look for in wedding favors? What are some other unique wedding favor ideas? Or, play up a destination wedding theme with a specialty that's unique to the country or region, like Mexican caramels or mini bottles of limoncello for an Italian wedding. Why trust brides?